This is an 18.7-foot long food truck with a striking color scheme. As seen in the video, it features a large service window, making ordering and pickup very convenient for customers. Manufactured by Henan Kaibu Group in China, this truck's color, exterior, materials, and kitchen interior can all be customized to meet customer requirements. The kitchen facilities are thoughtfully designed with amenities such as a wash basin, cash register, oven, cabinets, air conditioning, and restrooms. Full truckload or empty truck trailers are also available. Our food truck equipment is exported to 192 countries worldwide, from bustling cities in the United States to Australia, Canada, and Europe. Meeting the export standards of various countries, we have obtained EU certification, DOT, CE, ISO 9001, and many other certifications. Our food trucks demonstrate our dedication to the international market and our commitment to quality. Our factory, spanning over 10,000 square meters, is equipped with the latest cutting, welding, and assembly technologies, as well as painting and labeling equipment. Our factory not only ensures high-standard production, but also possesses rapid development capabilities, ensuring efficient delivery of high-quality products to our customers. We offer comprehensive after-sales service and a 3-year warranty, with free spare parts provided during the warranty period. Whether you are expanding your existing business or starting your own, we provide end-to-end service to ensure your success in a highly competitive market. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our factory for negotiations, tours, and exchanges.